Hey guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how you can use WordPress to export your site to static HTML, CSS, and JavaScript so you don't have to worry about any WordPress backend, or you can use WordPress as a static site generator. So to get started, just go to your website. So I'm just going to go to andresevilla.com and then go to /wp-admin to access your WordPress dashboard. So log in if you haven't done that already, and then go to plugins, click on add new, and then search for Simply Static. And then click install now on the Simply Static plugin right here. Then click activate. And then on the sidebar here, you'll see a new option that says Simply Static. So just click on that. And you can go into the settings here and change options if you want to. The default option should be fine if you're just trying to upload your website to another server such as Netlify. So just go to generate and then click on generate static files. Okay, so now that that has finished processing, we can just click on the click here to download link, and it will start downloading a zip file that contains our website. So if we just open that up when it finishes downloading, we can see that this now contains a static version of all of the files on our website. So you can now upload this to the server of your choice, and you have the advantages of security because people can no longer access your admin dashboard through /wp admin. You also have the advantage of speed because WordPress does not have to regenerate the HTML files every time somebody requests them. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.